Hey guys, so Realme is the fastest growing smartphone brand in the world, giving head-to-head competition to Redmi and Poco in India. The brand is now all set to launch its Realme 9 Pro series in India next week. And now we have live hands-on images as well as the camera details of the Realme 9 Pro Plus. We will talk about its camera specs, but first take a look at the images. The images come from none other than the folks at Realme India. As can be seen, the device packs a triple camera system on the back and the color of the device changes under sunlight. So the color changing feature is becoming common in mid-range phones. Enough talking about the design of the phone, and now let's talk about its cameras. The phone will get a 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 camera with optical image stabilization, which is always nice to see on any mid-range smartphone. The second camera will be an 8 megapixel Sony IMX355 ultra-wide-angle lens with 119-degree field of view. And the third lens will be a useless 2 megapixel macro lens. On the front, you will get a 16 megapixel Sony IMX471 lens with electronic image stabilization support. Other specs include a 6.43-inch Super AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate and MediaTek Dimensity 920 SoC, which is a very powerful SoC. The device will arrive with 6GB and 8GB of RAM, and storage will be 128 and 256GB. The battery on the Realme 9 Pro Plus could be a 4500 mAh cell with 65W fast charging support. Its Geekbench listing reveals that the smartphone will run on Android 12. So yeah, what do you guys think about this? Do let me know in the comment section down below, and if you somehow like this video, a sub to the channel will definitely make my day. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.